We're doing some emergency repairs out here on this building. So first step is getting our access in the side of the building. We looked at the as-built and there's no footing underneath the building. There's concrete piers in certain areas. So the first thing we did was we put piles on either side of this opening. We cut this hole because this is the only part of the basement where we have decent access. All right, we're gonna scurry into this place. I'm gonna show you the issues that are going on. This space truss, which also has corrosion on it, is supposed to be sitting on top of the wall. You can see in here, the end of that truss is completely compromised. We also have heavy rebar pop on this foundation wall. These trusses are supposed to support the weight of the floor up above, and they're not doing their job. So that's why we gotta get in here and temp support this floor, and then there gotta be some permanent fixes after the engineer designs it, the city approves it. All right, we're down here getting the framing in. I'm gonna turn you around. So we've got double 2x12s bearing on the end. We've got our adjustable posts holding them up. It's a pretty tight working space. What do you guys think?
Blast. Absolutely.
Terry?
It's a blast.
Sunday, huh? Loving it.
Sunday fun day.
Yes, loving it. So we're gonna keep pushing, try to get these people back in their house.